Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phantom Judgement. This guide will help you understand and master this unique in-game ability. We'll cover its activation, core mechanics, and how to integrate it into your combat strategy. By the end, you'll be able to unleash its full potential, turning the tide in challenging encounters and optimizing your gameplay for maximum efficiency. Phantom Judgement is a potent skill with distinct mechanics. It often delivers substantial damage to all nearby enemies, sometimes with a potency of 400. Beyond offense, it can also restore your health and that of your allies with a cure potency of 40,000. Remember, activating this ability usually consumes a specific resource, like one spirit point, so resource management is key. To use Phantom Judgement strategically, consider its dual nature. In some games, it resets an enemy's exhaustion duration, allowing for prolonged attack windows. In others, it's a powerful area of effect attack that also provides crucial healing. Timing is vital. Deploy it when facing multiple foes or when your party needs a quick health boost. Integrating it into your skill rotation can significantly enhance your combat effectiveness. To truly maximize Phantom Judgement, pay attention to prerequisites. Some versions require specific gear, like the Soul Eater set, or reaching a certain mastery level, such as level 34. Experiment with different button combinations to assign and activate it smoothly. Consistent practice will refine your timing, ensuring you deploy this powerful ability at the most opportune moments for maximum damage and healing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.